Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Music features are missing. If you're using any iPhone and your Apple Music features are missing, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to keep in mind that your Apple Music is directly connected to your software. So now to get or fix your Apple Music, you have to make a system update of your phone. So you have to simply go ahead to settings. In settings, go for general and here you go for software update. But first of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So simply scroll down your quick settings and here you have to enable airplane mode and you have to briefly wait for up to 5 or 10 seconds, and after that disable airplane mode and wait for when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Once you have connected, you have to refresh this page, and if you're here any system update available, so you must have to download and install the software system update. After installation, your Apple Music app will be completely fixed and you'll get all the features on your dashboard. So in this way you can easily fix if your Apple Music features are missing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.